that's the secret. A tennis ball.
You know how you use a honing steel to keep the edge on a chef's knife?
I don't really cook.
That makes sense. All right. This keeps you sharp. Only a direct, precise hit will pin the ball. If you are off just a little bit, it deflects. Ready?
Toss it. Thought this was supposed to be hard.
This is the warm-up. Ready? So, specialty arrows. Each one has a specific purpose.
What does this one do?
Explosive arrow. Lighter payload, meant to divert and disable. Acidic arrow, meant to breach covertly or weaken structurally. Bolo arrow, to secure and subdue. These are just tools. If you rely on them too much, they become crutches.
Then why have them?
To get out of a fight, or to end one before it begins. Not bad.
So what's next?
This has taught you well.
Mom made sure of it. How did you do that?
Variable acceleration. All right? It's all about timing. You keep practicing, you keep flowing, it just becomes second nature.
All right. Again.
You want a break, maybe?
She's a machine, Dad. They don't need breaks. And speaking of machines, I have something to show you guys.